Hi guys, welcome to another barbecue video. Well, this week we're gonna do another special recipe. We're gonna do a hamburger with which is a burger that we're gonna do. You know, when you do the egg in the middle, that's a recipe we make for the morning. You take your bread and you put a hole in the middle and you break your eggs in it. We're gonna do the same thing, but with a burger. So you're gonna see it's very interesting. It's on, of course, on the barbecue with a great day like this, and you're gonna see it's kind of easy to make. You have just to be careful about it, but when you have it, you're gonna see it's great. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.